Hello, everybody. 안녕하십니까, tanan. Ni hao moshi moshi ashita samtadadaimashita waini shashe. Sawai kapapan kapamakap namaste. Welcome once again to One World Reacts, when we talk and we react to these BLGL, LGBT related, what doesn't splash of K-pop, B-pop, and T-pop here and there. And whether you're watching this side on YouTube or my Patreon, welcome back with Sinyo Lahat. We're going to be continuing our reactions to one of the hottest Pinoy BLs in town. And this is our reaction to episode 10 of Sashes and Hearts. Yay! Because in the last episode, like, as we continue to infiltrate and like continue to expose some sort of Lemuel's wrongdoings, Tony, Thomas, and Jack are getting along well together to the point that they're even thinking of an idea of having a threesome. Okay, like, I support that. I support whatever they're doing to, to revive their relationship. But we're not yet sure if Jack and Thomas will be able to pull it off together, because so far they're just giving, brotherhood, bro, pare, compadre, friendly brotherhood vibes. So I wonder if they're gonna end up being together or it will be a different case for Tony. So we'll see. Either way, the side couple, Jin and Jarrett, they are quite in chaos right now because apparently Jennifer, which is the one who toured them, and also apparently Jin's ex, exposed a misleading clip that it shows that they're having a BJ, when it turns out they're just literally drinking buko juice or a coconut juice on a very interesting area. So the video or that angle thought that they're doing something illegal. So Jennifer did that, but good thing she got exposed. Jin and Jarrett exposed her, and she got fired into the competition. Because honestly, that is literally blackmailing and cyber libel. So good for her for not going into the competition and for not destroying anyone anymore in the competition. We lapped up on the last episode with the three, Tony, Thomas, and Jack, thinking of a way to gather strong evidences to, expose more of Lemuel, and they did that by hiring a model that also wants to go to the competition, and we are left off with two old gay men, including Lemuel, wanting to do something towards that model. So let's see how things will go in this episode. We're now down to the last few episodes according to the production company. I believe we're up until episode 13 or 14, but we're already down to the last 4 episodes, either including this episode or starting the next episode. So we will see how things will go. Okay? Without patagalin, I'm excited, I'm intrigued. Let's continue our reactions to one of the hottest Pinoy BLs in town. This, once again, episode 10 of Sashes and Hearts.
Parang di naman masyadong maganda. Ay! Ubodera din pala. Ano to? Off to volunteer at the animal shelter. Mag-volunteer ka lang, kailangan ang ikli-ikli pa ng suot mo.
Are you better?
Nanay niya na ganito yan pag nalabas.
Brotherhood! Ano, magsara na ba tayo? Kailangan mo pa mag-beauty rest.
Ate?
Maiyak ka ba?
Not him crying already.
Hindi, napuwing lang ako.
Napuwing?
Di ba nagupit tayo kanina? Madami pumasok sa mata ko.
Nakakaloka ka. Ano?
Tara na. Hindi ko kailangan distraction.
Alam mo, brotherhood, kailangan mong pakalmahin yung sarili mo. Ngayon, Pag okay ka na, pakinggan mo rin yung side niya.
True. Especially if if it was just all a misunderstanding. I mean, what happened last episode was just all a misunderstanding. Forgot to include it on my intro, but yeah. It was just all a misunderstanding.
Mansi. Pasok.
Kumusta kanta nyo?
Di ko nga mabuo eh. Inis na ako.
Eh, di ba bukas nyo na ipa-perform yan? Huwag kasi utak ginagamit.
It should be
Ano
this.
gusto mong gamitin, kuya? Abdo?
No!
Pero, charot lang. Hindi, try mo puso. Di ka naman ililigaw niyan.
Puso.
Of course, he didn't thought of like coming from the heart, straight from the heart.
Ano na yan? Tsaka, huwag ka magpuyat, ha? Sige.
Thank you, ate.
Kuya. Ano yun? Yan na, pumasok na.
Ryan, ikaw pala yan.
Oo, Aaron. Kala ko hindi mo na ako naalala.
Diyos mio. Alam mo ba napakagaling nito?
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Oo, Diyos ko. Alam mo, magaling to sa lahat.
Especially saan?
Kama!
Ikaw talaga, Aaron.
Diba? Sing and dance.
Ay, nako.
Oo naman, syempre.
Diyos ko, ikaw pa ba? Napakagaling mo.
Sige nga, patunayan mo kung gaano kakagaling. Katulad ng sinasabi ni Aaron.
Ew. Very creepy. Yes.
Gano'n ba?
Ew.
Uy! Anyari?
It's that
Black screen.
the camera got broken.
Nawala ng signal? Ba't naputol? Baka lowbat. Lowbat? Seryoso ka? Kakabili ko lang ng battery na yan. Baka sa signal. Kaya di umabot. Signal? Ano yun?
We don't even know.
Paano kung nabuking si Ryan? Nabuking? Malinis pagkakatrabaho natin dun. Malabong booking yun. Pero teka, napansin mo ba? Parang magkakilala yung dalawa. Parang may history sila. Magkakilala? Seryoso ka?
Yeah, they did. Ryan did mention earlier.
Ano eh. Yung tingin na nila iba.
Are y'all not listening?
Pero paano kung tama ka? Paano kung magkakilala nga sila? Edi, compromise si Ryan.
It's actually much better. It's actually much better if that's the case. Ryan can take advantage of the
Yari tayo
situation.
nito. Pag nabuking si Ryan,
Back
baka
to you.
mabaliktad tayo.
Back to
Malaking
you.
problema yun. Kasi... problema to. Malalang problema to.
Pre, anong ginawa mo dun? Andun ka na sa harapan, kinat mo pa. Yun na yung pinakatanging paraan para mahuli si Mel, pre.
Sorry, pre. Matagal ko na kasing kaibigan si Aaron, pre. At di ko magagawa sa kanya yun. Sobrang dami niya nang naitulong sa akin.
Uh-oh.
Hindi ko naisipang gagawin sa kanya yun, pre.
But he might do that to you. Back to
Tinraidor mo
back.
kami, pre.
Welcome now.
Ang plano na lahat eh. Yun na yun eh. Kaso yung ginawa mo, pre. Hindi ko alam sa'yo.
Bro, we need to calm down. There might be
Hindi
other
na makakaalam
plans.
sa amin, pre.
Car, like,
Sinira mo yung plano. Nakalatag na yun, pre. Kailangan na lang ipasok ko. Andun ka na eh. Naka-video ka ng kinat mo.
Pero Jack, alam mo namang walang problema dyan eh. Gagawin ko yun para sa pera. Pero, mas malaki pangangailangan ko ngayon. At si Aaron ang makapagbigay sa kanya. Alam mo naman yung sitwasyon ko sa pamilya ko ngayon eh. Kailangan namin ng pera. Kaya sa problemang yan, di na kita matutulungan dyan, Jack.
Oh my God, right?
Wala akong kwenta.
Actually, they can actually devise other plans. If, you know, Ryan doesn't want to help.
To see your oyster.
Uy, ate! Ano yan?
Not
Antik na naman dyan.
her
Parang
oyster.
walang batang kapatid mo.
Her
Nagjijelly
oyster.
ka ba?
Najijelly ka ba? Najijelly ka ba? Amaya pag kinatfish ka niyan, sabi ko sa'yo.
Hoy, ilang beses ko na rin to nakaka-video call, no? Ikaw, alam mo ikaw, maglaro ka na lang ng bitter-bitiran. Mas okay yun.
Bitter.
Veteran.
Pero, nag-usap na ba kayo ni Jean?
Not yet, obviously.
Ay, hindi pa. Pero nangungulit. Nangungulit. Ayun naman pala eh. Baka naman pwede pang maayos yan. Hayaan mo na ako dito. Ayusin nyo yung inyo. Kasi ako maayos na ako dito. Makakatikim ako ng oyster.
Oyster.
Oyster. I love your oyster.
Jennifer.
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
I just want to make things right.
How
gusto mo maayos
right?
na, pwede ka naman na umalis.
I fixed the problem. Ayan. I posted the truth already. See? Please believe me.
The truth. Eh, ikaw ngayon nagkalat ng kasinungalingan na yan, di ba?
Look, Jean. I was wrong for doing that. I'm so sorry. Nakala ko kasi pag nasira ko kayo, babalik ka sa akin. But I know the truth now. You love Jarrett.
Ganun,
And
Jennifer.
I'm happy we're able to find love again after what I did to you.
Yeah, right.
Sa tingin mo, sapat na yan.
No. Or just leave. I think she did the right thing, but leave.
Niyuan mo na kami ni Jared.
Yeah, leave.
I will.
Huwag mo na kaming guluhin.
I will.
If that's what you want, gagawin ko.
Or just do it, leave. Out the window, right in the right door. Okay, just out the window, not in the right door. Okay, like. Anyway, am I still recording stuff? Like, we don't want to lose any more footage again. Let's continue. Okay. Oh yes, you better get those dumbbells, Ate Cheesy.
Ba't ang lungkot mo na naman? Huwag kang OA. Ang OA ng mukha mo.
Ang ginagawa mo?
Ay, ito, nag-gym ako. Sa malungkot ka dyan dapat tinutularan mo. Sakit.
Hindi kasi... Mamaya na tayo mag-gym. Dun sa Surge, tuturuan kita kung paano. Hindi ganyan, sasakit katawan mo.
Hindi ba ganito?
No.
Ba't di ka pa kumakain?
Wala akong gana, ate.
Alam mo ikaw, kung na-hurt yung puso mo, huwag mo naman idama yung sikmura mo.
Ate.
True.
Pati na ba kayo ni Jean?
No. They haven't talked it out.
Pati na kasi kayo para hindi ka nagkakaganyan.
I'll try to get where Jared is coming from.
Ate, kala ko kampi kita. Di mo ba alam? Di ba nga niloko niya ako? Sakit-sakit kaya.
It's just a misunderstanding, so...
Niloko ka nga ba? O baka naman mamaya, totoo yung sinasabi ng tao, tapos ayaw mo lang paniwalaan.
Hey,
Ano mo
babe.
naman, sinunggaban talaga dyan ng ate girl na yun. Ano mo kaya ka nasasaktan? Dahil nagmamahal ka. At
Period.
saka pure yung love mo.
Yes. Not distilled, not alkaline, but very pure.
Ano ba to?
Very pure.
Pure yung love, ate. Saan mo naman ako yung quotes na yun?
Ano, share ko lang sa FB. Like mo naman, shinare ko yun eh.
Not the ones from FB.
Nangalay na ako.
FB is not for everyone, though. Here in the Philippines.
Oh, Jared ko.
Eh.
Jared ko.
Eh.
Oh, Jared ko.
Okay, okay, Harana.
Jared ko.
We love a fucking serenade.
Oh, Jared ko.
Eee.
Oh, Jared ko.
Eee.
Oh, Jared ko.
Aww.
Oh, Jared ko. Patuharin mo na ako.
Eee.
Alam ko naman na mali yung ginawa ko.
And he can really sing.
Oh, Jared ko.
Is that so good?
Bigyan mo na ako.
Yes.
Alam mo naman na ikaw lang ang mahal ko.
Ah, that is so sweet. That is so sweet, Jin. Wow, girl. He can really sing.
Ano na naman kalokohan yan?
Bro, that is so sweet. Actually.
Papatawad mo na ba ako?
Oh, go. Let's not cry. Okay, let's not cry just yet. Like, do not cry.
Pag-isipan ko.
Ajash!
Paano pag hinag kita?
Ajash! Jared!
Ganito.
You miss him. I just know.
Bango. Papatawarin mo na ba ako?
Okay. Fine. Basta, huwag mo na ulit gagawin yan ha. Anong oras na? Tignan mo yung mga kapitbahay. Baka mabulabog mo sila.
Oh.
Sigurado ka, pinapatawad mo na ako.
Yes.
Oo na nga. Gusto mo ba pauwiin ko?
Eh, hindi. Ay, daga. Na oras na ba? Magkita na lang tayo bukas.
Alis ka agad? Saan naman?
May pupuntahan pa. Di ba yung may talent portion pa tayo tomorrow. So, need natin mag-prepare. Tapos si ma'am, kinausap ko pa. May hinanap siyang stylist para sa atin. So, unahin ko muna yan. Para sa atin naman yun.
Sige. Basta, huwag ka na ulit kakanta dito ng gantong oras. Ang mga kapitbahay namin.
Yeah.
Galing naman yun sa puso ko ah.
Okay.
Paano yan? Wala ba akong goodbye kiss dyan?
The goodbye kiss. Oh.
Sa episode 4 na.
What's already episode 10?
Episode 4 ng Landian 101.
Ay.
Uy, basta mag-iingat ka.
Oo.
Salamat sa harana.
Oh.
Pasensya ulit. Salamat.
Pasensya.
Mauna na ako.
Bye.
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 Gumawo.
Bye.
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 Paalam. Uy!
Arigato.
Nagising yung kapitbahay. Sabi siya ako na magbabay. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Share.
Oo nga. I love you.
I mean, that was sweet. I actually can feel the genuineness. They're really, really cute.
So, what do you think?
Ma'am, kakanta ko. At parang mukha naman akong ewan dito.
Yes, Ben better sing.
That's the style, anak. Di ba ang ganda? Mukha kang K-pop.
Kipapangit.
Jared, how about you? Do you like it?
Madam,
yeah-
parang kitang-kita po ako sa stage na ito.
But I agree with the styling.
That's the point. Pero don't worry,
So
marami
random.
pang pinadala yung stylist para i-try on nyo, di ba? Just tell me kung ano yung mapipili nyo, okay?
Ajish.
Bye!
Dami, Jin. Ito parang bagay sa'yo.
Mas bagay tayo.
Si Madam baka marinig ko.
So?
Tignan mo. Parang mukhang mamahalin lahat ng damit dito ah. Nakakatakot mantsahan. Wala ko pang bayad.
Eh kung ano yung mapili mo, sa atin naman na yun eh.
Talaga ba?
Sa atin na lahat ng to?
Yes.
Yung mapili lang. Pero ang mamahal nito.
Parang makim-kim ng pagkainis sa mundong to na mapaglaro. At ikaw na nga, at wala kang kawala. Dahil sa tingin ko'y tayo pa rin. At di ako napapaisip.
This song is really good.
Kay walang sisay, walang halakhak.
Anong tinatawa-tawa mo dyan?
Wala. Ang cute mo lang kasi.
Alam mo, hindi pwedeng cute lang. Baka cute lang din yung score ni Galing-galing po kayo.
Pwede kung gusto mo, tulungan kita.
Aww. Boyfriend help.
Alam mo, mag-focus ka na lang dyan sa ginagawa mo. Tsaka, magkalaban tayo, di ba? Yung ba natatandaan?
Teka. Patapos naman na rin ako dito sa ginagawa ko, di ba? Gusto ko para sa'yo mag-excel bukas. Ano?
Alam mo, paano kung mag-fail ako? Hindi ko na mababayaran yung rent ng salon namin.
Oh, calm down, calm
Pati si
down.
madam, lahat ng effort niya, mababaliwala ako. Laki-laki na pa naman ng alabas niya sa akin dito.
I get it though.
Huwag ka masyadong mag-isip, okay?
Huwag kang masyadong
hindi naman humingi ng kapalit sa inyo si Mami. Hindi naman siya ganun. Isa pa. Nandito ako para tulungan ka. Okay?
Okay.
Alam mo, kahit hindi ka naman manalo, winner ka pa rin.
Winner?
Oh,
Bakit?
hindi ka. Tayo ka. Ano ba? Papakita ko sa'yo.
Oh.
Tayo ka dyan. Talikod ka sa akin. Yan. Tapos, kahit naman di ka manalo, may trophy ka naman eh. Ito.
Shoota.
Ano?
Shootang in-earls.
Ang sakit-sakit na, nakaraan pa. Kapon, dumugol pa.
Oh.
Ngayon, isa pa.
Bakit ayaw mo ba?
Be careful when it bleeds. We don't wanna have any STD or so.
Aray!
Asus!
Sir Limel, your contract is done. Nasa loob ng room ko ang laptop. I can give you the copy of it anytime you want. Bye.
Oh, yes, Sir Jack. What can I do for you?
May tatanong lang sana ako eh. Kung wala bang joining fee yung pageant?
Of course, meron.
Niloloko mo lang kami, no? Siguro pati mga kliyente mo, niloloko mo lang.
Jack, you're accusing me? Na naniningil ako ng mga peking fees? Tapos sasabihin mo sa akin yung ganyan?
Bakit? Hindi ba totoo?
May ebidensya ka?
Jack is going all out for this
Pati
shit.
sex trade mo sa pageant? Pag yan nalaman, yari ka.
Jack, magdahan-dahan ka sa sinasabi mo.
I mean, sex trade is not a joke.
Pabalik na ako. Huwag kung ano-anong sinasabi mo. Nag-i-invento ako ng mga issues.
At least we know where you're
Totoo naman sinasabi ko.
where you're going back.
Jack, ang laki agad ng ulo mo. Nakatikim ka lang ng konting kasikatan. Nakala mo kung sino ka na.
He's just...
Napaka-ungrateful mo. Wala pa naman 1 million yung followers mo Instagram at hindi ka verified. Bakit hindi mo atupagin yung media con mo dyan? Ha?
Oo, nihintay ko lang si Tony. Pero yung kalukuhan mo, ayusin mo.
Ano? Asa ba si Tony?
Late siya, bakit?
Papunta pa lang siya. Halos mabaliw-baliw ako dito pag-aayos ng karir nyo. Tapos ganyan-ganyan kayo.
Ayusin yung karir?
Ikaw yung naninira ng karir!
Magdahan-dahan kasi sa sinabi mo, Jack. Hindi mo kilala kung sino binabangga mo. I am your manager at kaya kong sirain ang career mo anytime I want. Go ahead! Huwag ka magmayabang. Nakala mo kung sino ka. Nakala mo ba kayang-kaya mo kung hindi mo ako kilala?
Okay.
Bilang. Tandaan mo to Babagsak ka dyan sa pinagkagalingan mo.
Oh, I'm scared. Siguraduhin mo lang mapapabagsak mo kasi kayang-kaya kitang tirisin kahit ngayon din.
Okay.
Tignan natin kung saan kaabot.
Kung anong mangyayari sa career kapag mawala ako sa buhay mo.
He doesn't mind not having any more career. At least we can bring him to jail, you know. And that's all that matters. Okay, that's all that matters is that we bring him in jail. Jail time over career, much better. At least we can find other career, other job, rather than
Okay ka lang?
him still free.
Riskad na lang kaya natin yung fan meet mo. Kayang-kaya naman. Gusto mo pa ba kay Limuel? Pwede naman lumipat ka na ng management. Tignan mo yung sarili mo.
We have to take him down first, though.
Naalala mo ba yung bata pa tayo? Yung maganda yung buhay namin.
Guard, not you looking at his bulge.
Pag-aral kami.
Guard, Tony. Tony, shut up.
May sarili kaming bahay.
Tony, shut up, please. Tony! Tony, you got rejected, no. Tony, please. Please.
Doon kami nabaon sa utang.
Itigil ang kabady nga.
Patong yung problema.
Napakalibog.
Tapos parang kami pa yung masama.
Listen to his story. Oh my God.
Pag-isip ko nga na, what if kaya,
I mean, I do get it though, but
gawin ko rin yung ginawa nila sa amin.
Supain mo na kasi. Utang ina tong baklak.
Lokohin ko sila. Hoy!
Ay!
Ano sa tingin mo?
Ang laki kasi.
Nang ano?
Laki ng problema mo, Bes.
Gago.
Bastos.
Gago
Apaka.
Teka.
My God, Tonel. Tunya.
May problema ba? Kinakabahan kasi ako at wala naman akong choice. Alam mo, huwag kang kabahan, okay? Kakabahan. Andito lang ako.
Uy, kayo pala.
Hi, Tol.
Hi, Thomas.
May pinag-uusapan lang. Ikaw, anong ginagawa mo dito?
Wala, papalit akong damit. Nagpawisan tapos pupuntahan ko pa si Jack.
Oo.
Kayo?
Sige.
Pwede na ba kayo sa talent nyo?
Oo, nag-ayos lang din kami. May pinag-uusapan lang.
Sige, muna na ako
Sige, Tol.
Ingat.
Sige. Ingat.
I hope they get to tell the real truth though. Because they can't hide it forever.
Sorry. Kinahihiya mo ba ako?
Oy, kalma.
Ano naman sa ganun? Grabe kung makahawi ka ng kamay ko. Parang diring-diri ka.
Guard, y'all are keeping your
Jack
relationship
naman.
a secret.
Hindi pa naman kasi natin napag-uusapan kung i-out na pa natin yung relationship natin sa ibang tao. Grabe yung reaction mo kanina paghabi mo ng kamay mo. Ano, diring-dire? Natatakot ka ba na malaman nila na kung anong meron sa ating dalawa?
Guard, calm down. Calm
Sorry
down.
na.
Guard, Jared, stop.
Jean! Lagi ka na lang ganyan eh.
Guard, stop.
na. Pinaparamdam mo sa akin na okay na. Ako lang.
Guard, he's doing.
Hindi. Lagi mong pinapakita yung totoo mong ikaw.
Jared. Guard, he's doing his best. Like, you are the one who's throwing random tantrums at night. Like, Jared, what the hell?
Jared!
He's doing his best. But you don't want to even talk to him further.
Saan?
Dito na lang. Dali na.
Oh my God. Oh, Jesus Lord.
Thank you
Ew. Girl!
So Jack, pwede ba pirmahan?
Oh, Tomas. Loko-loko po, pila ka pa.
Papirmahan na. Sige na.
Bahala ka dyan, ha? O yan, Epus.
Oh, ba't naman may edits yan?
Epus yan.
Epus.
Edits. Na may puso ko.
Puchang, ganyan.
Sa'yo lang yan, ha?
Edits. Epus.
Pwede.
Tutang inerals. On a Sunday, really?
naman ako Inaagawan mo na naman ako as #1 fan. Wala, ano yan? Gusto ko din.
Saan?
Dito, para my personal touch.
Baka. Ayaw. Ayaw pala mo.
Gusto ko yung dapat kasing laki ng sayo,
Ay, ganyan.
Uy!
Robin.
Ducks!
Laki din na.
Epus yan, ha?
My personal touch.
With personal touch.
Loko-loko talaga kayo. Hingi muna ako.
Ah, sige, congrats.
Oh, hingi natin ka. Naiin na talaga ako. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
At least we're now sure.
Naman, bibis pa.
Patingin ulit.
Our main couple is Jin and Jared, while these three are besties.
Personal
Yung sa'yo pa, laki din. Maliit.
At least may personal touch.
My personal touch.
Miss Dali.
Jack? What are you doing here?
Nag-fan meet lang po, ma'am, pero lilinisin ko rin po yan.
Fan meet? Seryoso ka ba? Ano feeling mo, like superstar ka na?
Going up to you.
Hindi po, ma'am. Sorry po.
Let me be clear, Jack. Ang pinakaayaw ko sa lahat, yung mga aroganteng kandidato. Mga mayayabang. And you know what? I've been hearing nothing but negative things about you.
What did she even do?
Your attitude is beneath someone who's calling himself a winner.
And what are you doing, Miss Dolly?
Make sure na pag nakatikim ka ng kasikatan, hindi lalaki ang ulo mo.
Sorry, ma'am.
You know nothing, Miss Dolly. Shut the fuck up. What about you? Have you even proven yourself to the people? Just because you're the CEO and the beauty queen? What about you?
Okay lang po, tita.
Stop acting very clean, Miss Dolly.
Constitution ng kapatid ko.
As if you even helped him.
Try ko po magpadala sa katapusan.
Sige, anak.
What the hell?
Isa kita, ha? Mag-iingat ka dyan. Sige,
They're acting
bye.
high and almighty. They're just, at this point, they're just like the Jack that they're thinking about.
Parang kain tayo.
Very arrogant and shit.
Hindi, una ka na. Wala akong gana.
Bakit? Kumain ka. Kailangan yun ng katawan mo. Tignan mo, ang payat mo na.
Kailangan. Ayoko talaga kumain.
Kakain ka o kakainin kita?
Ay, kain na.
Hanggang kakainin kita.
Drop time premium.
Kakainin kita.
Very premium. Kainin mo na, B. Nahiya pa kayo?
Sige ka.
Nahiya pa talaga ng mga backgrounds mo?
Yes! Congratulations sa first ever fan meet mo,
Iba din pala ang isang Jack.
Siyempre.
Fan meet.
Although he just had his...
Ako pa rin ang #1 fan mo.
Oo, walang agaw dyan.
Promise?
Personal touch.
With your personal touch. Mga besh, alis muna ako, may client pa ako. Tsaka para makapag-prepare ako mamaya. Thomas.
Kita-kits.
Kabatiba ka, ha?
Yes.
Pumapayag na po ako.
Pumapayag saan?
Sex trade.
Meet si Aaron.
Yan. You get what you want, bitch, you fucker. He has a plan, I just know.
Oh, eto nag-text sa Aaron. Nasa baba na siya. Susunduin ka na muna.
Sige po.
Wow. Fast learner ka na, ha? Sige, wait ka lang dyan.
Well, at least he knows what he's doing.
Kailangan ko kasi ng tulong mo, eh.
O sige, ano ba yan?
May bago akong plano.
Oh, you better.
Naka-check-in dito si Sir Limuel.
Oh, talaga?
Better be careful, bitch.
So, hindi ko makuha yung phone niya. Pero, alam ko dala niya yung laptop niya.
Anong gagawin mo sa laptop? Hahanapan mo ng ebidensya?
Oo. Ito nga yung plano, diba? Ito yung kwarto niya. Di tayo magabang. Harangin mo siya para makuha ko yung laptop niya bago siya pumunta sa kwarto niya. Gets mo? Gets. Basta harangin mo
That's
siya.
easy to follow, Thomas, if you still get it.
Hindi naman masyado. Huwag kang mag-alala. Magiging worth it naman ng biyahe mo. Oo.
Manuel, long time no see. Kamusta po?
Yes, Thomas. Nami-miss mo na ba ako bilang manager mo? Na-realize mo na ba ang hirap ng buhay na wala ako as your manager? Ha?
Actually, mahirap nga po talaga.
Oh, by the way, this is Aaron.
Hi! Meet you.
Thomas po. May meeting siya with Jack. Gusto mo sumama?
Hindi po pwede. Talent important po ng Agent of Kings.
Eh ano naman? As if naman mananalo ka.
Wow! Basher!
Alam mo dito.
He's much of a basher then.
Sigurado magkakapera ka.
Why is he so obvious?
Excuse us. Let's go, Doc.
Oh my god!
Sir Limuel! Sir Limuel! Ay, ang ganda niyo naman po today, Sir Limuel.
Bro, you better be fast! Not on the messenger. Bro, at least get those files. Like, do you have any, like, USB or something? I mean, yeah, pictures are okay, but at least you can retrieve some files.
May talent po akong gustong ipakilala sa inyo, Sir Limuel. Matangkad po yun. May abs. Gwapo po yun. Matangkad.
Asan?
Nandiyan po sa baba. May time po ba kayo ngayon?
Paakyatin mo.
Kayo po ba hindi po ba kayo pwedeng...
Kami ba yung bababa?
Andun po siya ngayon. Sa baba. Magugustuhan niyo po yun, Sir
Asan
Limuel.
nga?
Ay. Sige po. Hindi po pala bagay sa inyo yung yung damit.
Mukhang maisa nagsasalita. Weird. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko ang alam kung bakit nakakapasok yung mga ganyang itsura dito sa na to. Asan kaya ang keycard? Hanapin mo sa bag. It's locked. Hindi ba? Magbubukas. And dito automatic ang mga kwarto.
Ito lang pala to eh. Uy! Anong ginagawa mo dito? Kanina ka pa namin hinahanap. May nangyari ba? May nakita ka? Asan? Oh, tignan nyo. Binibenta ako ni Sir Limuel for 20,000 a night.
Ang baba naman yan. Pumayag ka.
Gago, hindi ah.
Hindi naman.
Dapat lang. Pero, parang sigurado siya eh. Napapayag ako sa gusto niya. Baliw ka ba, Jack? Kilala kita. Hindi mo magagawa yan. Benta mo yung sarili mo sa halagang 20,000.
Just for 20k, that's too low.
Ito talaga yung future ko.
No!
Tumigil ka nga, Jack.
Just me.
Ikaw yan.
Yeah. And just for 20k, Gore, it should be like millions of pesos.
Maging magandang buhay yung kapatid.
It should be millions, not just 20k.
Maraming paraan. Sa tingin mo, magandang paraan yan yung ibenta yung sarili mo?
But yeah, no. Sex work is work, but for just people who are willing to do so. It's not for everyone. It's not forcing people to do things that they don't want to do.
Ang ginagawa nyo dito, mag-start na yung talent competition. Bilisan nyo!
Ay, tara. Ligo, tara.
Oh boys ha, galingan nyo. We're counting on you.
Yes, manonood kami, bunso.
Salamat po. Actually, kinakabahan nga po ako eh. Kasi first time ko magpo-perform sa stage. Si Jin, mukha naman sigurong mataas yung confidence niya. Mana po sa inyo. Parang winner nga po siya dito.
Of course.
Pero ma'am, thank you sa pagpunta dito. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome, anak. I'm always here for you.
O, tignan mo. Supportado yung mama mo sa'yo. Yung ate ko, di ko alam kung supportado sa...
Grabe ka naman. Suporta naman. Nakikita mo naman. Kulang na lang magbarong ako. Go lang. Laban lang, di ba? Nasa galingan yung dalawa, ha? Nandito lang kami ni Tita.
Tita!
Salamat po.
Auntie!
Wala na ako. Lalo na. Kakabayad na tayo ng renta. Ay, di pa pala ako nananalo.
Oo nga pala.
Pero sabi nga ni Madam Sarah, winner?
Yes,
Winner!
Ladies
Love
and
it.
gentlemen, welcome to the first ever competition of Aces of Kings!
It's just the talent portion.
Good evening, candidates, and welcome to our talent portion, our talent competition for tonight. I-share nyo na lang po yung live natin. We are now live at Mississology page. Ayan, si Miss Pao.
Yes, of course. Like and share ang ating Facebook page para maraming makapanood ng ating talent portion ngayon.
Literally on the phone.
The scoring for the talent competition is not part of the main competition for the finals, but you will receive special prizes, actually.
Correct. Magkano?
The winner for Best in Talent will receive 100,000 pesos.
100,000 pesos!
Plus a free overnight stay dito sa sponsor natin sa 1898 Foods.
Wow! Meron pa ba?
Not one, but for two.
Ooh, kaya dapat galingan ng ating mga contestant.
But wait, there's more.
Meron pa?
Yes, if you win, you will get a 1-year contract for influencer at Royal Aesthetics Clinic.
Wow!
I mean, that is a lot. That is a lot for Best in Talent.
The competition begins!
For Best in Talent, that is a lot of prizes. They're treating it as if it's their main competition. Yeah.
Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Ready na ba kayo?
Magandang gabi din.
Oh, this is our first contestant, Taguig City!
We're literally on the fucking phone. Okay. Hey. Hey.
Hoy, ang ganda!
Simple, but I'll give it. We love simple talents. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey. Okay.
Ang liit pala ng edits niya. Obvious naman.
Let's not talk about dick here. Oh, he can really dance. Oh, Francis can dance. He really say talent. I really hope he already fixed his older issues, though. I didn't notice that Francis can dance like that. I'll give it to him. Actually. Surprising.
Oh, wonderful! Yes!
Pretty good!
Bongga!
Laboboy unang isinilang sa mundo. Sila boboy walang isip, si linyador sa utot. Sila boboy may kaluluway, may karga. Sa likod wala namang pakialam.
Tama, what did you just do?
Isipin mo wala, alam mo ang tanong ng tao. Wala akong naiisip, kailangan mo't isipin.
Not them flaunting their ass again to get points. Of course. Hey. Hey. Why do they look like some of the alters or adult content creators here in the country? Some of them look like those content creators for some reason.
Mr. Pangasinan.
Especially with what they're doing. Oh my god.
A song for us on original composition, Mr. Gene Serrano.
Yes! Yes! You better sing! And what was the hunch was right, they will all dance. He's the one who sang.
Talent ko po ngayon ay kakanta. At yung kantang ginawa ko ay para sa isang tao na binago niya yung buhay ko. Binigyan niya ng liwanag yung madilim kong buhay. Sana marinig mo to. Maramdaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal.
Jorge has been very genuine. Janet, stop throwing random tantrums at night, okay? Okay, tahanan sa dilim.
Naalala ko pa nung ako'y mag-isa, gumawa ng tahanan dito sa dilim. Malamig ang gabi, tila walang hanggan, ngunit hindi ko alam darating ka rin. Walang ilaw, mga bituin nagtatago. Sa bawat hakbang hirap ay nariyan. Ikaw dumating di inaasahan, bigla mong liwanag sinindihan. Sa madilim na daan, ikaw ang liwanag, tahanan ko'y iyong binuhay. Nahaninagaan.
Wait, was this song from Haunted Hearts? This song is familiar.
Hakbang kasama kita.
Hey. You can really sing.
Kasama tayong haharapin lahat ng unos at bagyong darating. Ikaw na yata ang dahilan ng aking pag-ibig sa gitna ng ulan. Hawak aking kamay kahit na anong mangyari.
God, this sounds good though.
Sa dilim, ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa gitna ng hamog at ulan. Tunay kang ilaw at gabay. Sa madilim na daan, ikaw ang liwanag, tahanan ko'y iyong binuhay. Naaninagaan, pag-ibig na tunay, sa bawat hakbang kasama kita.
At least the mother is entertained. That was really good. That was good. That was a good song. Love it.
All right, and for our next candidate, we have Mr. Manila, Jarrett Adam Liwanag.
Sa ilalim ng buwan, pangako'y wagas, puso'y magkatab.
Parang ninenervyos siya ata.
Walang hangganan, mga bituin sa langit.
Oh, you're not gonna do it, Jarrett.
Sa ating pag-ibig.
Okay pa ba siya?
Brother! Gulang! Halito si ate! Yan, yan.
Not him crying. Or please. Not his stage fright. Oh! Oh my god, is he gonna unveil himself and the relationship to the public? We will see! Are they gonna unveil themselves to the public? I don't know. So it's actually a duo performance.
Sa ilalim ng buwan, oh yeah, pangako'y wagas, puso'y magkatakbo, walang hangganan. Oh, mga bituin sa langit, saksi sa ating pag-ibig. Sa bawat pagdama ay ikaw ang kasama. Tayo'y isa.
Hey!
Sa hirap at ginhawa.
Oh, he can really dance.
Pag-ibig ay walang hanggan.
Hey! Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Unang sayaw ng
the mother's not mothering. Oh!
Mga hakbang na magaan, pagsabay sa musika.
Uh-oh.
Isa
Oh!
lamang ang tibok, munting
Oh!
ngiti, mga mata.
Oh!
Walang kasing saya, hawak kamay, sabay ka.
Oh, they're really unveiling themselves to the public.
Pusang galaw, tayo'y isa. Sa hirap at ginhawa, lahat ay susuungin. Pag-ibig ay walang hanggan.
Uh-oh. Yep. The mother is not having it. Uh-oh. Yep. Time to unveil yourselves to the public, bitches, and in front of the mother. Oh, are they gonna kiss? Ah! Oh no! Oh no! 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 Ay! And literally in front of the mother. She's gonna have a fucking heart attack. Oh my god. I love the performance though. It was really beautiful. Uh-oh. Yep. We'll see how things will turn around in the next episode. But that was beautiful. That was actually beautiful. I love it. That was beautiful. We'll see in the next episode. That was really beautiful.
Kaya sa alaga mo, hard to get
Baka naman kinabahan lang, Aaron.
Gusto ko malaman kung tanggap mo pa rin ba ako bilang anak mo.
Sasampalan ko yung titig.
Kailangan niya pa bang talagang dumagdag sa sakit ng ulo namin tsaka sa mga iniisip namin?
Sorry po, Miss Dolly. Hindi naman po namin pinlano yung nangyari.
We will see how things will go in the next episode. But that is that. That is all my reactions to episode 10 of Sashes and Hearts. Yep, it is getting a little controversial in the pageant 3. Actually, the episode was quite long this week. But you know what? I am very, very much here for it. Yeah, things are getting a little bit chaotic. But at least, you know, the performances are really beautiful. I will say the performances were really, really beautiful. And, you know, like the quality and like the talent that, you know, the two of them have is just actually really, really beautiful. Like that dance was just chef's kiss. Like that dance was chef's kiss, you know, as well as, you know, the song as well. By the way, the OSTs of this song, this series are really, really beautiful. You know, like Jin's voice is really, really beautiful. The performance of both Jin and Jarrett actually shocked the people. And you know what? Yeah, they might emotionally get carried away, in which the mother is not mothering. So I don't know how things are gonna turn out in the next episode, but we will have to wait and see. At least Ate Cheesy is okay with it, but the mother, we'll have to wait and see. Also, like, I'm glad that Jack is now devising plans to like infiltrate the old gays. I actually thought Ryan will be helping, but it turns out he's not gonna really help. So yeah, let's just devise another plan to like, you know, kill these gays. Not literally, but like figuratively speaking, because they're literally killing other people's careers with what they're doing. Again, sex work is work, and I know some people who are actually proud of being adult content creators, but not to the point that we are going to be forcing people to do so that we can gain money. You know, it should be consensual and like very giving. Like there is give and take, not that we are forcing someone. It's kind of like a one-sided unrequited love story, you know. But yeah, I'm glad that Jack is willing to redeem himself by like, you know, exposing these people. I also can't with Miss Dolly, like, did she even prove herself in the scene? We didn't even see her like help with the pageant or even the industry, so what's the point? They're just there to be there. Okay, what matters more is the gayhood that Jin and Jarrett are giving, because honestly that performance was really, really beautiful. That performance was really, really, really beautiful. And also like the serenading that Jin did, that was everything. That really was everything to me. I really do hope Jarrett won't be throwing random tantrums again, because actually it's not giving. And it might not help within the relationship. So we'll just see how things are gonna turn out in the next episode. Again, we're now down to the last few episodes of the series. Yeah, the last few episodes. So we will see how things are gonna turn out. If Lemuel will be exposed, how things are gonna go with Jin and Jarrett. We'll just see how everything will turn out. in the next episode. But that will be all for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed more action to episode 10 of Sashes and Hearts with yours truly. Whether you're watching this either on YouTube or my Patreon, if you guys had this video, give this video a huge thumbs up or heart and tell me your thoughts about this episode. Do you guys like it? Do you guys enjoyed it? What are your thoughts about the episode? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Pag-usapan natin yan. And I hope to see y'all on episode 11 of Sashes and Hearts with yours truly. Follow on the current MBL, Shells, and RV content, so stick around and stay tuned. With that being said, to this so to speak, thank you all so much for watching and see y'all next time. Bye-bye! Maraming pong salamat!